You're one recession away from losing your job, being replaced by AI, or watching your income disappear overnight. Let me ask you this: if your job vanished tomorrow, what would you do? I found something most people won't talk about. It's called the Millionaire Whistleblower, a done-for-you business system that gives you the exact $249,000 blueprint top online earners use. It's built for people with zero experience, no hiring, no overhead, no guessing. Just a system that actually works while you sleep, travel, or sip coffee at home. You get the insider playbook these so-called gurus have been hiding, and now it's yours, without paying thousands. Look, I'm not saying this is magic, but if you're ready to stop relying on that paycheck, Millionaire Whistleblower might just be your safety net. Tap the link in bio before the next layoff hits.